There you go again. Dahil di ako nakapag-upload ng 2 to 3 days. So, eto. Hihirit pa. This song, palamig na kasi dito. Konting lamig pa lang naman. Pero, papunta na tayo doon sa sobrang lamig. There you go. It's an old song.
You only see what your eyes want to see. How could life be what it to be? You're frozen when your heart's not open. You're so consumed with how much you get. You waste your time with hate and regret. What's frozen when your heart's not open? If I could melt your heart, would never be apart. Give yourself to me. You are the key. There's no point pleasing the flame. You should know it's something to say. I lose you, heart with both is broken. There's a bird she needs to fly. Little to hurt inside you die. A golden when your heart's not open. If I could melt your heart, would never be apart. Give yourself to me. You are the key.
Masyadong seryoso.
See what your eyes want to see. How can love be what it won't be? You're frozen when your heart's not open. If I could melt your heart, would never be apart. Give yourself to me.
ating second song for the day. Ilang tulog na lang. 2 more days. Wala na. December na. So, hanggang wish na lang muna tayo. Sana all nakakauwi ng Pasko. 2 Pasko pa lang naman ang nalalagpasan ko. Kakayanin pa. Ganun ang buhay OFW. Kailangan tiis-tiis. Kesa pamilya ang magtiis. So, that's all for now. Take care everyone.